Okay, here you go. You come up under the coolant reservoir. As you can see, there's 4 to the top. You come up under it. You can see up under it. Let me see. You see that right there? That's your coolant sensor. So what you do is you reach up, pull it down. That's your coolant sensor right here. Pull it down. And you unplug it. I might need 2 hands to do it, but you see, get you aim right. You see that? That's your coolant sensor. It's sticking to the bottom of your coolant reservoir. So it's just pretty much this little stick. I'm gonna pull it out for you and let you see it. But you unplug this because apparently this has gone bad. Give me 1 second. There you go. It sticks in the bottom of your coolant reservoir. You unplug this because apparently, as I say, if the coolant reservoir is full and you having issues with this going off, then apparently this thing has gone bad. But we're gonna check it out. That's your wiring right there. I'm gonna tape this up so it won't dangle. I take the wire up right there so it won't dangle. But it sticks in the bottom of your coolant reservoir. Alright, signing off.